The United States' most advanced stealth fighter is facing a problem that defense planners did not anticipate, and the implications are already rippling across active operational theaters. Pentagon testing officials have warned that the F-35's critical Technology Refresh 3 software package has remained largely unusable due to persistent stability failures, capability shortfalls, and ongoing technical deficiencies. In blunt language from defense assessments reviewed by major outlets, development progress effectively stagnated throughout 2025, leaving new combat capability frozen in place at a time when tensions in the Middle East continue to escalate. This is not a routine software delay. It is a warning signal about the growing dependence of modern air power on code rather than metal. And with F-35 aircraft already flying operational missions connected to US, Israeli, and Iranian tensions, the stakes are immediate and global. In this video, we analyze the F-35 Lightning II's Technology Refresh 3 software crisis, what it is, how it happened, why it matters, and what the cascading strategic consequences are for the United States and its allies in an era of accelerating great power competition. The F-35 was designed to dominate modern battlefields through stealth, data fusion, and networked warfare capabilities unmatched by previous aircraft generations. But today, the aircraft's future performance edge depends not on engines or wings, but on software reliability. Without TR-3 functioning as intended, the fighter risks operating below its projected potential during one of the most strategically volatile periods in recent history. The F-35 program traces its origins to the Joint Strike Fighter competition of the late 1990s, an ambitious effort to replace multiple aging aircraft types across the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. Lockheed Martin's design was selected in 2001, promising a family of stealth aircraft capable of performing air superiority, strike, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare missions within a single platform. Over 2 decades, the aircraft evolved into 3 main variants: the conventional takeoff F-35A, the short takeoff F-35B, and the carrier-based F-35C. Each version relies on a shared digital architecture, allowing upgrades to propagate across the entire fleet. That architecture, however, is now at the center of the current modernization crisis. Technology Refresh 3, commonly known as TR-3, was conceived as the digital backbone for the F-35's Block 4 modernization phase. Engineers designed TR-3 to dramatically expand the aircraft's computing power, memory storage, and data throughput capacity. The goal was clear: unlock the next generation of software capabilities, including enhanced sensor fusion, advanced targeting algorithms, expanded weapons compatibility, and improved electronic warfare functionality. But repeated testing delays, unresolved integration issues, and reliability shortfalls have slowed progress to a pace that defense officials now consider operationally concerning. The F-35's defining strength lies in its stealth geometry and integrated avionics architecture. The aircraft's fuselage uses carefully angled surfaces and radar-absorbent materials to minimize radar cross-section, allowing it to approach defended airspace with reduced detection risk. Internal weapons bays preserve stealth by eliminating external payload drag signatures, while distributed sensors positioned across the airframe create a panoramic awareness envelope unmatched by legacy fighters. At the heart of this design sits the Mission Systems Computer, the digital nerve center that fuses radar data, infrared imagery, and electronic intelligence into a single operational picture. TR-3 hardware introduces significantly upgraded processors and memory modules intended to handle larger datasets and more advanced algorithms. These upgrades support increased sensor resolution, faster targeting cycles, and integration of emerging weapon systems. In terms of performance, the F-35 remains capable of speeds exceeding Mach 1.6 with a combat radius of approximately 670 nautical miles for the F-35A variant. It can carry more than 18,000 pounds of combined internal and external ordnance when stealth is not the primary requirement. Its AN/APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar provides long-range detection and targeting capability, while electro-optical targeting systems deliver high-precision strike coordination even in contested environments. In terms of battlefield capability, the F-35 represents a generational leap over legacy aircraft such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon or F/A-18 Hornet. Its stealth characteristics allow penetration of air defense zones that would historically require large escort packages. When compared to fourth-generation fighters, the F-35 achieves dramatically higher survivability rates in simulated contested environments. Analysts estimate that a single F-35 formation can achieve mission outcomes previously requiring multiple aircraft types operating simultaneously. From a destructive capability standpoint, the aircraft's precision-guided munitions can neutralize hardened bunkers comparable to those targeted during Operation Desert Storm, but with significantly fewer sorties required. The aircraft's ability to share targeting data across networks effectively multiplies combat power across an entire strike package. Yet these advantages depend heavily on software reliability. Without stable TR-3 functionality, the aircraft risks operating closer to late-generation fourth-generation capability levels rather than fully realizing fifth-generation dominance. Consider a real-world scenario unfolding across the Middle East. Carrier-based F-35C aircraft operating from a U.S. Navy strike group patrol contested airspace near potential Iranian missile sites. Intelligence networks detect mobile launchers preparing for deployment. In theory, Block 4 software enhancements would allow rapid targeting updates, seamless coordination with unmanned reconnaissance platforms, and immediate strike authorization with advanced weapons. However, if TR-3 systems remain unstable, mission planners must rely on earlier software baselines. This introduces delays in processing complex battlefield data and reduces flexibility in weapons deployment. In high-threat environments where seconds determine survivability, slower data fusion can translate into increased exposure to radar-guided missiles and layered air defenses. Tactical advantages diminish, risk increases. There are also escalation considerations. If adversaries perceive technical vulnerability or delayed modernization, they may accelerate deployment of advanced air defense systems or attempt aggressive testing of regional airspace boundaries. Software reliability in this context becomes not just a technical issue, but a deterrence factor influencing enemy calculations. Political leaders and allied defense ministries are closely monitoring the TR-3 situation. The F-35 is not a single-nation platform, it is the backbone of air power modernization for more than a dozen allied nations. Over 1,100 aircraft have already been delivered worldwide, with more than 100 produced in the TR-3 configuration for training and evaluation purposes. These aircraft represent billions of dollars in investment and decades of strategic planning. Pentagon officials have acknowledged that testing timelines remain significantly behind schedule, with operational evaluation potentially delayed until 2026. Meanwhile, partner nations continue to request transparency regarding upgrade readiness and delivery reliability. Some allies are reviewing contingency planning scenarios, including extended reliance on older software baselines. Rival nations, particularly those developing integrated air defense networks, are observing closely. Any perceived delay in Western air power advancement becomes an opportunity for strategic countermeasures. The F-35 Lightning II remains the most advanced fighter aircraft in service today, but its future dominance now depends on solving problems measured not in hardware failures, but in lines of code. Technology Refresh 3 was intended to unlock the full potential of the Block 4 modernization era, enabling expanded weapons integration, superior electronic warfare capabilities, and faster battlefield decision cycles. Instead, repeated delays have exposed the fragile dependency linking modern air superiority to digital stability. More than 1,000 aircraft already operate across multiple continents, forming the foundation of Allied deterrence strategies. Every postponed software milestone extends uncertainty into operational planning cycles. Every unresolved bug raises questions about readiness in an increasingly contested global security environment. The battlefield of the 21st century is not defined only by stealth coatings or missile ranges. It is defined by algorithms, processing speed, and the reliability of interconnected systems that guide every maneuver and every strike decision. And now, the central strategic question remains unresolved. If the world's most advanced fighter cannot fully unlock its next generation of capabilities on schedule, what does that mean for the balance of air power in the conflicts that may define the coming decade?